Number plate fixing with the rear panel. This is how it looks. This is how it looks from the rear as well. In this video, you will check out how to install a mobile holder, which is the Bobo mobile holder for the Pulsar F250. If you see, this Pulsar comes with the clip-on handlebars, and there is very less provision to keep the clip which holds the Bobo mobile holder. So for that, the best thing is that remove the switch cable. The entire lot is just removed by taking out 2 screws from the bottom, and then loosen this the clutch cable a little bit, lever, and then slide it a little in the front, and then connect the Bobo mount over here. Important thing while fitting the phone holder for Pulsar F250 or the N250 is to make sure that you're fitting the phone holder, which is the Bobo mount, to the right side of the steering. So just beside the or behind the brake canister. So that's where you have to fix it. If you're trying to fix it over here, it's not possible. The main reason is because this hump which is there, this obstructs the phone holder mount, so hence you cannot fit it over here. So I did a mistake. I opened everything, and then that's what you have seen in the video, and then fixed it back and then shifted it over here. So you don't do the mistake, and hence I'm telling you that the Bobo mount folder fits over here securely. You just have to take out this screw, and this also doesn't obstruct the rear mirror, so it perfectly fits and doesn't obstruct either the mirror or the visor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.